Jessie from the Glencoe Public Library, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a unicorn mask using the supplies from the Craftalong kit you picked up at the library. First, make sure you have everything you need. You should have a paper plate with a hole in the middle, a large popsicle stick, a sparkly unicorn horn, 2 white ears, 2 pink inner ears, 5 flowers, and 10 sparkly stick-on gems. You'll also need one more supply that isn't in your bag, which is glue or a glue stick. Now it's time to assemble your unicorn. First, glue the popsicle stick to the bottom of the plate. Next, glue the horn on top of the unicorn mask. After all, what's a unicorn without a horn? Next, glue the pink inside part of the ears to the white outside part. Then glue the ears to the mask. Now comes the most fun part, decorating. Put your flowers and sparkly gems wherever you want. If any of your gems don't seem sticky enough, use a little glue to help stick them on. You can also use any other craft supplies you have at home, like markers or stickers, to decorate your unicorn. And voila! Now you have a fabulous unicorn mask.